Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about greasy cover pots. If you have glass pot lids, they usually have a metal band around the edge, and you know how hard can be to remove the grease that gets stuck between the glass and the metal. It is almost impossible. That cooked on grease is so stubborn, and no matter what we use, it remains inside. Because the solutions we use don't get in there, the grime won't dissolve. I will tell you this: if under that metal rim is enough room for food and liquid to get under there, it has to be a way to clean it too. And today I give you the solution to this problem. Hot water and the dishwasher tablet. Let your lid to soak 1 hour into hot water and the dissolved dishwasher tablet. I don't have such a large container for my lid to fit, so I use the kitchen sink. The solution has to cover the rim of the lid in order to dissolve all that grease. The dishwasher tablets contain a series of things that will make possible this impossible job of cleaning under that rim. They contain citric acid that cuts through grease, sodium carbonate that cuts through stains. Sodium bicarbonate helps the tablet dissolve. Sodium percarbonate, oxidizer used for stains. Amylase alpha breaks down starch. Substilsin breaks down proteins. Polycarboxylate removes cloudiness from glassware. Alcohols cut through oils. Isotridecanol loosens dirt. After 1 hour, use a toothpick to remove all that gunk. You can see all the grease I got out of the rim on that paper towel. Dishwasher tablets also contain an alkaline agent. By increasing the pH of the water and therefore its alkalinity, this creates the ideal and indispensable conditions for the enzymes to work. Just like how dishwasher tablets wash away food debris off in the dishwasher, they can also tackle food in hard-to-handle places outside the machine. Scorched food on the bottom of pots and pans, as well as in the oven, can otherwise be hard to clear, but with an easy tablet, it's no problem. I gave the lid a quick wash and that's it. Now it's sparkling clean, no more grease or grime, just like new. The fact that so much cleaning power can be packed into those tiny dishwashing tablets is pure magic. The mixture of enzymes, alkalis, and surfactants is good for grease stains, food stains, and even odors. These things are all very helpful for cleaning dishes, but can also be used to tackle grease, food, and odors elsewhere. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!